So this transit marks the end of any escapism that you've been living in and the beginning of embodiment. So you're taking off those rose-colored glasses and you're going to look at the world for what it really is, not how you want it to be. So these are the eclipses. They're going to invite healthy routines, rest, and service recalibration. You might have been given to a lot of bad people. It's time for you to take a step back and look at where your money's going and where you're spending your time, okay? Mercury this year, dear Pisces, is going to activate your career, your identity, and your communication. So in January and February, Mercury is going to affect your 10th and 11th houses. It's going to be combust. It's going to cause a ton of career confusion and networking challenges. From February and March, there's going to be a retrograde. That's Mercury in Aquarius. That's 12th house. There's going to be a need for mental retreat. In April, Mercury in Pisces, that's first house, is going to be conjunct Neptune and Saturn. That can bring intuitive thinking, but also a little fog.